from SINOMADA, which is committed to heavy machine for 30 years. And you can see today's weather is so hot. And we will take you to visit the ZOOMLION factory. Is 25 tons. The max rated lifting capacity is 25 tons. You can see. And you can see here is 5 boom sections. The boom length is 42 meters. Now we will look at the cab. You can see I am sitting in the cab, and this cab feels comfortable, and you can see it's very luxury. The optimizing layout of the machine makes the stress of the main booms more reasonable. The lifting performance is higher than the same product